Whoa! I guess I'll have to rewatch that.
What's up, guys? Today is oil change day, but first I have to take these e-brake cables off of this Integra. So here's the Integra that I'm working on right now. It's at the junkyard, and this is actually a good candidate to take these off of because it's an automatic, so the e-brake probably doesn't really ever get used, or didn't ever get used. This thing's in the junkyard now. But I got this pin almost all the way out. It was really stuck. There's a cotter pin in the bottom, which I thought was going to break off in it. That would have been super unfortunate, but I got it out, and now I'm just working this pin out, and then we're going to go from there. Alright, so I got this thing out. Next thing is this clip right here has to slide up. I'm going to try to get it with these pliers, but I don't know if it's going to work. Hopefully I got some tools I can get this out. Alright, so I couldn't, oh, I did get the clip out actually, but then I couldn't push this through. This bracket is too rusty. So I just found out that there were, or figured out that there's 2 bolts holding it on right down there. So I just pulled the whole bracket off. And now we gotta see, looks like the next spot is fishing it through here. It might be easier to pull it through from the other side. So let's see what we got. Can't feed it through that hole with the bracket on it. But as you can see, there's another bracket right here that I'm gonna undo, and then we're just gonna keep following it up and see if we can remove it. So luckily those exhaust bolts don't look too bad, because I think I gotta pull this exhaust out and pull this heat shield out to get to the rest of them. There's a clamp up here above the heat shield that I can't reach right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling all this out. Alright, it took a little bit, but I got the exhaust down. I got the heat shield loose, and then right here, just cut my head on glass. Right here, there's a bolt. I think it's 12 millimeter, and I'm gonna try taking that out. Alright, it looks like, well, it doesn't look like this one's out. That one is out. Now it looks like there's this thing holding it in, and then just the one up top, like inside the car. So we'll grab that last one, and then we'll go up into the cabin. Alright, so next we gotta take this out. There's a couple screws underneath this thing, and then there's a few screws on each side. I think that's it. Yeah, just those 2 in the back, and these 2 screws up here. And then we can pull this guy out. Alright, so I got this one out. Just got to push the rubber through right there, and should be able to pull it all the way through. Then we got to work on undoing the other side, and we can leave. Well, I got one of them out, but the only way to fit it through this hole is to take this bracket off. Now that it's out, I think maybe I can get this to slide through, and then I can slide it through that hole, and we're all done on this side, and then I'll just grab the other one really quick.
Hello, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yep.
To what?
To change the oil. You're so weird.
You did it wrong. I can't do it different.
What? Gotta make sure it's not gonna fall off on me. Oh, dude. My headlights are getting messed up. Look at that.
Look at that.
This one's brand new.
Look at that.
You
Can't see it. Look at that. Look at that.
Right. I'll get new headlights soon anyway.
No, you're not. You can't afford that.
Yes, I can.
You shouldn't afford that. Ooh, so pretty.
Where's the oil?
Ooh, so pretty.
0W20.
What? What kind of oil goes in this car?
0W20.
Yeah, the Toyota is shit. That's what you said in the store when you bought it.
What?
You said that Toyota is shit.
It's probably Subarus that do that.
Cyan. It's too tall now. I can't reach it.
So anyway, we're doing a couple quick oil changes today.
A couple? On what? Both your cars?
No, one on my car and one on your car.
Yeah, thanks.
Do you think it's a 14 millimeter or a 17?
14.
Okay, let's try.
It's a small car. That's my reasoning.
Alright, let's see.
Probably wrong though, because I got a bad fortune in my fortune cookie today.
Oh, it's leaking oil.
Oh boy.
I need a new drain plug, but next time I'll get a new drain plug. It's not leaking too bad, just a little drip. Just a little drip. It looks like you might be right with that 14, guys.
Really?
Yeah.
What do I get?
Kisses?
Oh.
Don't sound so disappointed. That's a good gift.
Yeah. Can I have popcorn instead?
Maybe.
Yes.
This does not give me a lot of room to... Sad thing is, this is down all the way too.
You want to explain to these fellas what you're doing in case you don't know how to change the oil?
I'm loosening the drain plug, which is where the oil comes out of. I don't have enough room to get my hand in there.
You want a smaller hand? You kind of have a chubby
You're gonna
hand.
get oil on it.
Is it gonna get on my jacket or just my hand?
Ooh, I got it. We're good.
Okay. And you didn't drop it in there. Good job. Pretty sure I dropped mine in there last time.
Probably.
So that's it. We're done.
That's it. We changed the oil. Start her up.
I feel like there's more. We don't have this fancy oil thing in my house.
We don't have a lift.
That's true. You should play some waiting music in this time. Like some elevator music maybe.
I'll probably just fast forward.
Or that Eminem song where it's like, elevator music. You make elevator music. You know that song?
Because I know the way to get him motivated. I make elevating music. You make elevator music.
He's like, I make elevator music. You make elevator music. Oh, we're gonna do the Eminem versus Machine Gun Kelly thing.
What is that rap guy that he says that song in?
The elevator music?
Elevator music?
I don't know. I think so.
Because I found another way to something.
Another way to fuse it.
Something like that, yeah. I'll insert it.
You don't know what words to use.
I don't know how to make songs like that. I don't know what
words to use. You look pretty comfy on that stool. Where's my stool? My legs hurt.
In your butt.
My legs hurt.
There's a stool right there with a big foam on it.
Is it on wheels?
Yep. Go get it.
Yeah, go get it. Oh. Yeah, go get it. You get that butt. Well, what if I wanted to sit on the foam?
Be too tall. I may not be heavy enough to make that seat go down. It's broken, so it's got to go down under the weight of your body.
It's not working.
Yeah, you're not heavy enough. Here, trade me.
Ow! I hit my head on the wheel. Why you have chairs that discriminate against skinny people? Alright, ready? Come on, muscles.
Holy smokes!
Now, you want me to get that for you?
Go for it.
Okay, you hold the camera.
No, it's alright. I got this
I
guy.
want to try it. It'd be funny if I could get it and you can't. This thingy?
Yep.
Yeah, no, that's stuck on there. I loosened it for you, though. You got it.
Yeah.
Aw, I got my hands dirty.
You wanted to try.
I didn't know it was going to get me dirty. Yeah, I definitely loosened that pickle jar for you.
The lid.
The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. Stop.
The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid. The lid.
Nice little Mobile One filter.
Sure. What filter did you get?
I got a Mobile One filter.
Yeah, but what's the number thingy and the letters?
M1 104A, which is the same as a Honda Civic.
Oh.
Or M1 104A.
Oh yeah, that's why you were skipping in Meyer. You're all excited because it was a Civic.
Yep.
I need some background music.
I don't get copyright flagged.
Because I was singing Eminem?
No.
You make a living in music. I wonder what doing words to use. You need to hydrate your skin.
What are you talking about? My skin's beautiful.
Oh, sure. Tell your followers what you're doing.
Putting into oil?
Yep. That OW20. Ow, 20. That's what it says. That's not a funny joke. Don't put that in the video. Oh, your camera sucks. Oh,
Excuse
no.
me?
It's sucking butt today, man.
There's your alternator. There's your AC compressor. There's your oil filter. This is like the best car in the world to work on. You hear that? I don't hear any crickets.
I think you're deaf.
Is it squeaking?
I think it is over there.
If you hear crickets, comment in the comments. Let me know if that's squeaking and I just can't hear it. I am losing my hearing. Well, it sounds good to me.
Well, that's all that matters now, isn't it?
Alright. Let's see how much we need to add.
Is that thing called the dipstick?
Yep.
I'm so smart.
Quart low still.
Oh no.
Oh, I gotta go get a quart before I drive this some more.
Good thing you have 2 cars.
Now we do your car.
Alright, bring her in.
Give me your keys,
What do you say?
please. Why am I saying please? I'm changing your order.
Because I have tricked you into being my slave, apparently. Yeah.
Good throw.
That's your fault. You didn't catch it. It was a good throw. You gotta wash this car so bad.
Excuse me, I have to wash my car for poop on the hood.
That just happened today on the way to the airport. Asshole. Yeah, hello, you piece of crap. Need to fix that fog light. This is Jack. My car. Needs some love. But I'm busy. Yeah. We've been saying words.
That's how that song goes. You ever heard it?
Yeah.
He says, "Leave love bleeding in my hands," but it doesn't sound like it. Hi. Where's your... Never mind. Oh, that is a dirty engine bay.
You're an ass.
It's a dangerous spot for a hood prop, isn't it, Patrick?
Oh, Pat.
You shouldn't watch this and get mad at me.
Oh, you think Pat watches your videos?
He does.
Oh, man.
Pat, if you watch that, comment. Well, he probably watched it on his TV. He's not going to comment. Over and over and over again she cries.
That's not it. That's gross. Sing Jackson and the Pool Sharks.
Oh, my life, darling. I've been thinking about a woman.
We're saying the same thing. Milk, milk, milk. Yeah. Yeah, milk.
Do you think yours is a 14 or a 17?
17. Pass me some milk.
Get the man a glass of milk, Josh.
Are you hearing this?
Yeah. The man wants a glass of milk.
Milk?
Give him the milk, Josh!
Donovan, inside voices, please.
Sorry, Dad. My white friends.
So wrong, dude. I don't even think it's a 14. Is it American? Is it American?
It's American?
It's American.
Yeah. America. You got it. Nice.
Oh, I forgot your car does that.
Nice.
Remember last time we did
Yeah.
that?
Mmm. Nice and thick. Tell your friends what you're doing.
opening the oil
Why?
so I can put some on the seal of the filter.
Why'd you do that?
So that it doesn't get stuck, I guess. There was like some kind of poll on like whether mechanics actually do this or not. And I think like half of them said they do and half of them say it's not necessary. But nobody said that it hurts anything, so I still do it. See, just a little bit of oil on your finger and rub it around the seal before putting it on so it doesn't stick when you go to take it off the next time.
Whoa! You might want to pick that up.
Did I get it on my pants?
On the bottom of your pants over there.
That sucks. And on my shoe a little bit.
That was a catastrophe. What happened? Did it just slip?
Yeah, it was supposed to fall into that thing. I don't actually know what happened. Did you get it on tape?
Yeah. I guess I'll have to rewatch that. You dodged it pretty well, though.
I think it hit the edge instead of falling into it.
Well, kids, take note. Don't do what Nick did.
It's your car, dude. It's what happens every time we change oil in your car.
It did not happen last time.
We spill oil every time.
You can't say every time. It was last time and this time.
Okay.
That looks like a big poop smear. That's nasty.
Females get? You get a poop smear?
No, that's a pap smear, you butt.
What's different?
A little excitement for a regular old oil change. That was fun, right?
Yeah. What's up, guys? I never created a closing out for that video, so if you made it this far, you are the real MVP. If you like these kinds of videos, just me like goofing around with my girlfriend, changing oil, whatever, they're always going to be somewhat car related. Let me know if you made it this far. Comment juice box in the comment section, just so I can see who actually watched the whole video. And remember to like and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. And thank you so much for watching. Peace out.